Hello guys, in this video we are going to talk about how to connect your Sony TV to Crunchyroll basically. So you will just have to look at Crunchyroll and check out the devices that are ready to be used with Crunchyroll. So as you can see here, it's only compatible with Samsung, LG, Vida, Philips, and Vision Pro. So to actually connect it is pretty simple. So it's already natively using Sony Smart TV basically. So all you have to do is go up and sign for Crunchyroll. Once you sign in, go to the home screen of your Sony Smart TV, launch the app and search for Crunchyroll on your Smart TV. Alternatively, you can actually download the application there and select download and install the app. So once installed, log into your Crunchyroll credentials and now you can stream in the TV of your own. So there you go. It's really simple. So you only have to look for it in the smart TV store. So there you go. Only have to add it to your home screen, and there you go. So we hope in the future that they will have more support for it, and it's readily available right here in your own TVs in Sony.